In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off all notifications on YouTube. If you're feeling overwhelmed by pings, banners, or emails, this quick walkthrough will help you create some quiet without changing what you're subscribed to or the channels you follow. First, go to YouTube. I'm showing this on a computer using a web browser. Make sure you're signed into the account you want to adjust. You'll know you're signed in if you see your profile picture in the top right corner. If you don't see it, sign in first so the settings apply to the right account. Now click your profile picture in the top right. A menu will open. From that menu, click Settings. This takes you to the main YouTube settings page where you can customize how the site behaves for your account. On the left-hand side, click Notifications. This page controls what YouTube alerts you about and how often it does it. You'll see a section called Your Preferences. This is where we'll make the changes. Under Your Preferences, turn everything to off or choose None where that option appears. You might see different types of controls depending on the category. Some items are simple switches that slide on and off. Others may offer choices like All, Personalized, or None. In every case, disable the switch so it's off, and if there's a chooser, select None. Work your way down the list methodically so nothing gets missed. If the list is long, scroll to make sure you reach the end. As you switch these off, YouTube will stop sending you alerts about new uploads, recommendations, replies, mentions, or other activity tied to your account. This reduces push notifications on your phone, browser notifications on your computer, and certain YouTube-related emails, depending on the category. You're not unsubscribing from channels, and you won't lose access to content. You're simply telling YouTube not to nudge you about it. You can still check your subscriptions feed or home tab whenever you want. There's no save button here. Changes take effect automatically. A quick way to confirm is to glance back over the list and make sure every switch looks disabled and any frequency options are set to none. That's all you need to do. You've turned off notifications across your YouTube account and reclaimed some peace and quiet. If you ever decide you want alerts again, just come back to the same notifications page and re-enable the specific categories you care about. Thanks for watching and enjoy a calmer YouTube experience.